Yo, ladies and gentlemen, men and women, boys and girls, it's your host, Goffrey and Legend, the one and only. I am him and there's nobody like him. Nobody rocks like me. We back again in the streets, freestyle in the street. I'm with my nigga here. He's gonna freestyle for you, so I'm gonna give him his time.
Okay. I made it to the show, it's been forever, dog. I kept my music in silence like I'm forever gone. I know my bro is freaking proud of me. And every time nigga drop, check your economy. It's money moves, I can't hear the D-Bus calling me. My niggas hating while I girls design me. I was stuck at academy, started seeing the bright of me. Killing raps entirely, working on dead bodies, imagine all the anxiety. That's why I don't let their records to come and shake me. The work rate in the project, the rapping, but not exactly. I tried to listen and close at the punch, but not offensive. I came off, holding the work until it's pays off. My rap's too clean, you can do it too. Just stay soft. I'm this shit, y'all pick and choose. I motivate y'all. Had an ass cannon and sluice. Man, just take a shot. I came from a city where rappers rap more than Haiti. When 6 on the making, exploding suckers in Haiti. When they weed in the matrix, kinda feel like Jamaican. Quitting raps me hating, cause rappers feeling forsaken. Godly affiliated, I guess this why they're waiting. Yeah.
Baka gitu dah dia lah. Saya akan jalan di I want bread, I want spread. Until then, I want rest. I pray to God to send a fucking days. See my dogs paid, my dogs laid, balling hard in my hood. Cover the way I got next. Cover the way I got next. 7-7 on the track. Listen how months on beat. Yeah. Shit, man, yeah, I got it. I'm the best in the street, yeah, I'm best in the street, yeah, dopest in my section. Rapping, stepping, Robert Wadlow, keep nigga talking, but can't touch my flow. My raging hate tend to feel lead me where the stars at. On the right track, I kill it with my mouth closed. 7 pounds on the track, yeah, I kill it. 7 pounds, yeah, boss, yeah, I kick them. 7 pounds, watching niggas kicking buckets. Cause nigga, I'm the best in the fucking streets. Yo, man, this is 7 pounds. But to freestyle some shit for the street. Yeah, man, I got something in my briefcase, bro. Yeah. Shit, man.
Yeah, let's rock.
Yeah, man, let's rock, man. Let's do this shit, man. Yeah. Shit, man. Yeah. Hey, nigga. Let me tell about my hater, the bitch is a joke, nigga. Fake bitch never sick, nigga. They hate, I'm hella sick, nigga. Damn, they cannot handle my pressure, then fire they break, nigga. Two-face, they change, nigga. Facts, nigga. Hey, nigga. Damn, they didn't tell you about my hater, the bitch is a joke. Fake bitch never sick, man. They hate, I'm hella sick, dog. Damn, they cannot handle my pressure, then fire they break. Two-face, they change. Facts, beat to beat, week to week. Bitch, yeah, I'm never weak. Take a say, 7 got the gamer sick. Let me serve a heat feed that could cook up, host me to perfection. Still completely first street, can't copy the take the feed, man. I quit the competition like the steak, optimistic. Tell the queen to see fit the fantasies. Take a pick, my G, I'm slick, I never league. Got the upper league. Kill it with no apologies, man. 7 still sick, man. Yeah, still sick, man. Fuck that, yeah, I'm still sick. What the fuck, you know.